everybody. Today I want to present my group project, which is create a training website. In my team, my responsibility in the team is figure out what is the aim, scope, function requirement and non-function requirement for the project. And also I help my team member to coding the register module. Now begin my presentation. This is all my group member. The tools that we use in this project is PHP, Bootstrap, and the JavaScript. And we also using the database which is called PHP admin. The following we will discuss about the aim of the project. The aim of the project is we want to provide the knowledge to user in a very short time, because nowadays people are very busy until they want to learn, also did not have time to learn. So we create this website is to provide the knowledge to user in a very short time. Besides that, we also want to erase the work of the third party by provide them a creative and complete learning material template. Lastly, we want to provide core feature for the company so that they can place their information in different pattern. After seeing the project aims, the following I will explain what is the scope of the project. Due to this project is the prototype, so our minimum feature is can view the course and log into the website. Besides that, we also done only the login user can view the content or modify their personal detail. One of my responsibility in the team is to do the research and make a literature review to know what is the feature that should have in our webpage. After I do the research, I found that have some of the feature is very useful for our website. For example, categorize for the course in different field, so this can help user find their interested course very easy. Second, make the overview of the course, so this can help the user know the course very well before they taking the course. Lastly, give user example of exercise to ensure the user can memorize it after they learning finish the course. The following will discuss about the functional requirement for training and admin. The functional requirement for training are they can take the course and also track their study process. To ensure the training can memorize it, so one of the function requirement is take the exam and exercise during their study or after their study. Furthermore, we have training can search the course or manage their own profile detail, for example, email and username. The following will discuss about the functional requirement for the admin. First, admin can manage the course like add, edit or delete the course. Second, admin also can manage the training and administrator account in the system. Lastly, admin can view the database entry and check the error. After discuss the functional requirement, now we talk about the non-functional requirement. First, the system must provide a easy to understand on the course, so this can attract more users to use. Second, the UI design should be clear, neat, and simple. Third, all the codes must be categorized so it can make the user can find their course. The fourth one is the website need to load content quickly. The last one is the course should contain video to make user can more understand the course during their study. All above is my responsibility in the team, which is figure out the report. The following will discuss the coding that I done. Before I start to explain my code, I will demo one time the part that I done. In the video, we can see that the part that I done is a register module. In the register module, after the user type enter all the information such as username, name, email, and password, will success register and the data will send to the database. So as the video. Now I'm showing the register code. All this is the HTML code for the register module, and this code is provided by the Bootstrap, and the task for perform the register is the register.php. In the above is the session start. This session start, the purpose of the if session start equal to PHP session none is checking the session is open or not. After the PHP get the request from the HTML, the database will open. After that, all the information will store inside the value, and the below is the SQL statement that for checking user already exit in the table. If exit in the table, the session will store invalid register to the true and redirect the user to the index.php. If not, the SQL statement insert will start storing the value inside the table called training, and all the session will store inside the email for the purpose of the profile of user, and after finish will redirect to the header.index.php. The demonstration is about when the user register already exists in the table, and it will display a error message, and this can see in the video. Now I am showing the code of the display error message. When this if get the session of the invalid register, they will echo a error model which is under this below, and this model will tell the user the error message, and after this they will unset the invalid register to prevent the error message always pop up. If and the below if is when this if get the session of the success register, it will echo a success model, and this success model is shown at the below. This this model will tell the user a message which is the user already success registered to the system, and after this will unset the session. This also to prevent the always pop up the message to the user. Now I am showing the when the user did not log in to the system yet, it will display a message and tell the user log in first to view the content. The following is the demonstration of this. After seeing the demonstration, now we will see the code of that feature, how the feature can perform. First, the session this will calling a session start, and the purpose of this if is to check the session start or not already. And after this, they will checking the session name. If the session name is empty, he will redirect the user to the course.php and set the session who name it as show message model to become a true, and come to the course.php. This will this if will become true because of the session so message model now is not empty. So it will echo a model called message model, which is this message model are showing in login register, and this message model will be display display to the user, and after display the user, that it will unset the session to prevent the message always pop up to the user. That is all my presentation and my responsibility, my job in the team member. Thank you and bye.